It's nice if you want someone. But what happens when you don't want somebody?
How do you tell them without being mean and earning bad karma?
So we will tell you how to reject someone without being a total jerk.
Be genuine. The line, it's not you, it's me, is older than love itself. Tell them the truth. They might not like it now, but they'll be able to use it when they go on for their next relationship.
Don't wait to reject someone at the altar. It's crappy timing. And you might just end up in hell if you break a poor person's heart in the house of God. Hello? Hi, it's me. Okay, listen, I wouldn't be able to make it to our date tonight. Because I agreed to go out with this hot doctor down my street. I know he's your brother. I hope you... Hello? Hello?
It's not like ripping a bandage. You don't have to do it too quickly and too forcefully. If they want to grieve, then give them a shoulder to cry on. Think about how you would like to be treated when you're being broken up with.
Send in a standby, body double, twin, do whatever it takes. But don't ever stand them up. This is the worst thing. And be sure they will take to the cyber world to diss you out.
Hi. Hi. Tom said he couldn't be here, so he sent me instead. He thought that we would get along great. I mean, I'm like funnier, smarter, intelligenter, better looking. I mean, I smell great. His words, not mine. So what do you have? Something to drink? Something to eat maybe? Something, do you want to watch a movie? Maybe? I'll be right here. Just got to the restroom. Okay, now she's leaving the door. There's a bathroom outside, I think.
So remember guys, when you reject someone, do unto others as you would have done unto you.
Basically, what goes around comes around. And if you don't understand that, go listen to Justin Timberlake.
I don't even know how you would understand the lyrics of like a Justin Timberlake
Yeah,
song.
it's hard.
Because he's always like... It's like the Teletubby.